In today's Health Alert, Pfizer is moving ahead with final stage trial of its combination COVID and flu vaccine candidates. The pharmaceutical giant said early to mid-stage studies showed promising results. So for more on this, our chief health editor, Dr. Partha Nandi, is joining us. And Doc, what can you tell us about the early test results?
So Brian, Pfizer has not released detailed data from its early stage trial as they plan to publish a peer-reviewed journal. But here's what they've released so far. Now, the mRNA formulations for the combination COVID and flu vaccines were looked at for safety, tolerability, and effectiveness in adults aged 18 to 64. And researchers compared vaccine candidates to two standalone vaccines. One was a licensed influenza vaccine, the flu vaccine, and the other was Pfizer's bivalent COVID shot. And the bivalent shot targeted the Omicron BA4, BA5 variants, along with the original viral strain. Now, both the flu and the bivalent shots were given at the same visit, and data from early trials found that there was good, robust immune responses to influenza A, B, and COVID strains in Pfizer's lead combination vaccine formulations. And the company says it hopes to launch a combination vaccine next year or later.
All right, so let's talk about safety. There's a new study that I believe FDA funded that found a potential increased risk of stroke. So is it safe to do this combo?
Yeah, my nurses today were talking about this. So the Pfizer found the safety profile of their lead combination flu and COVID shots, Brian, to be consistent with its COVID-19 vaccine. Similarly, fellow vaccine maker Moderna also found their combo flu and COVID shot to have a consistent safety profile. So when then did an FDA-funded study find a slight increase in strokes? That's what people are talking about. Well, first of all, no reason to panic, right? The study identified 3 strokes per 100,000 doses administered, and that was in adults age 85 and older who received a high-dose flu shot at the same time as a COVID booster. Now, there are a couple of reasons why this may be happening. First, older folks are more at risk simply because they're older, but also it's possible that the high-dose flu vaccine is contributing to the slight rise as well. An analysis of Medicare claims data found that high-dose flu shots accounted for 1 to 2 strokes every 100,000 doses. Now, that's not a reason to skip these shots. You've got to remember that COVID and flu are more dangerous to seniors, especially those who are not vaccinated. They can lead to complications such as pneumonia and other severe health issues. So, in my opinions, the vaccine's benefits far outweigh the risk and help protect people from severe illness and hospitalization. People think about, that does COVID cause problems, does flu cause problems? If you can combine both of them and get one shot, I think that'll be helpful.
But as always, consult with
your doctor and not your TikTok.
Not your TikTok or YouTube.
That's right.
All right, Doc. Grateful as always. Thank you. This week on the Dr. Nandi Show, the threat of violence against the younger members of our society is not only a concern, but an epidemic. Homicide has become the 3rd leading cause of death for youth in the United States. So Dr. Nandi speaks with a victim of teen violence and a specialist in forensic psychiatry. That's this Sunday at 1.